much because this is the first time we organized this event, the Music and Wine. We've got almost 60 people here. This is a party for you, and I hope you will have a good time. And our first protagonist of the night, Irina.
But Chopin was a very shy man, and he was also very sentimental. So he developed a completely different relationship with the piano. For him, piano and music was an extension of his internal world, an extension of his feelings. And through music, he also wanted to express his challenges, his worries, nostalgia, loss, love, all the emotions. Questionnaire. Chopin revolutionized the etudes. Again, maybe some of you who don't know what means an etude, it is just an exercise. So you can practice, different finger techniques to be better in playing. But Chopin's etudes are so beautiful that you can't really think that it's an exercise. So he invented these concert etudes. Which means that you can perform the etudes in a concert setting. And exactly when he was living in Paris, that's what as well we learned about, he was very known as quite extraordinary teacher, and especially to aristocrats, including Rothschild's family. But one thing when Chopin was in Paris traumatized him was the events in Poland. And at that time, so in Poland was an uprising of civilians against the rule of the Tsar, and Warsaw especially was in a quite deep conflict, and that traumatized Chopin. He suffered a lot because he was in exile, in a political exile. He couldn't really help anyhow to his friends or family. And at the same time, the situation was so hopeless, and he even sometimes imagined that his friends are killed or that his piano is destroyed back then at home in Poland. And even Revolutionary Etude, if you will ever listen to it, Revolutionary Etude, it's called like that. He exactly composed it in the most deepest conflict when he was exactly in this nostalgia and hopelessness of helping out. He was really so much into Poland because he never actually came back. But these suffers brought into light some of the most important pieces of Chopin.